Hello, everyone. Our presentation is called The Nature Study, Exploring the Link Between Nature Connectedness and Academic Stress. We're Curtis Godfrey and Lillian Zaragoza, and we're students at Chaffey College. This research was done for our Psychology Research Methods class. The purpose of our study was to explore whether feeling connected to nature can help reduce academic stress in college students. Previous research suggests that spending time in nature supports mental health and well-being. Two key theories we based our study on were the biophilia hypothesis, which says humans are wired to connect with nature, and the stress recovery theory, which says natural environments help people recover from stress. Since college students often deal with high levels of stress, we thought it would be useful to study this group. Our hypothesis was that students with higher nature connectedness would report lower academic stress.
Yeah, so for our study, we use surveys to measure two things: how connected students feel to nature and how stressed they feel about school. We use well-known scales, the perceived stress scale and the nature connected scale, which both use Likert format. All responses were anonymous and collected through a voluntary online survey. We ran a Pearson correlation test to see if the two variables, nature connectedness and academic stress, were related. The results showed a very weak positive correlation of 0.55. This means the relationship was not significant. The effect size was very small, only about 0.3% of the variance was explained. So overall, our hypothesis was not supported. Descriptive stats showed the average academic stress score was 2.80 and the average nature connectedness score was 2.50. Both scales showed strong reliability with alpha scores of 0.82 and 0.79.
Our results showed there was no significant link between how connected students felt to nature and how stressed they were about school. There are a few possible reasons for this. One limitation is that we use self-report surveys, which rely on how honest and self-aware people are. Another is how we measured nature connectedness. It may not capture actual behavior or time spent in nature. Also, our sample may not have included students with much variety in their exposure to nature. For future research, it might help to track actual time spent in nature or include mindfulness practices. It would also be helpful to study students in more diverse locations. Here are the sources we used, including research on nature stress and psychological theories that helped shape our study. Capaldi et al., Nature and Wellbeing Review in 2015. Cohen et al., 1983, Perceived Stress Scale was a very big one that we used for our study. Mayer in France, 2004, Nature Connectedness Scale. Nisbet et al., 2009. Mayer et al., 2009, Nature Exposure Studies. Wilson, 1984, Biophilia Hypothesis. And Kaplan, 1995, Stress Recovery Theory.
Thank you.
Thank you.